Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a very good Monday evening to you once again. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking a lot of clouds and as well as some rain and snow showers that will be with us once again tonight and during the day tomorrow, as well as Wednesday before we finally see the sun return to the area. But as far as current conditions are concerned right now, it's actually pretty mild out there right now. 46 degrees, winds out of the west, northwest at 12 miles an hour. That's making it feel a little bit chillier, more like 41, and we do have a lot of clouds out there in downtown Utica and even a little bit of light rain. As far as what we're watching over the next couple of days, sunny skies will be in short supply, especially tomorrow and again on Wednesday with a lot of clouds and again those chances for rain and snow showers, especially to the north. Wind will also be a factor, especially during the day tomorrow, but the good news is that as we head through the late week, it turns slightly warmer, although it's still a bit unsettled, meaning we'll have some sun at times and then some lake effect rain and snow showers as well. As far as the wind that I just told you about, so far this month we've had 7 days where the maximum wind gust at Griffiths Airport in Rome has exceeded 35 miles an hour, and typically in the month of March we only see 2 of those days, so we're well above average and we're likely to add on to that total here as far as the month goes on. Right now across the area we do have those rain and snow showers that I just mentioned, mainly snow in portions of Lewis County as well as Hamilton County, but for Herkimer County points to the south, it's rain that's light to moderate, and in portions of Madison and Chenango County there may even be a little bit of small hail. Other than that, it's just some heavy rain being detected by the radar there. We do have an area of low pressure that's causing all of this unsettled weather. It's currently over the Great Lakes region of southern Canada, and we do have a lot of snow over portions of New Hampshire and Maine right now, and a lot of rain on the New England coast as well associated with this system. So overnight tonight we'll have temperatures dropping from the 40s where they are right now down into the lower and middle 30s out there. I think most lows will be between about 32 and 37 degrees. And then as far as tomorrow is concerned, we'll start in the 30s as I mentioned, and we'll see our temperatures rise into the lower 40s throughout the day, which is below average. And again, we'll have a lot of clouds and those rain and snow showers continuing, especially up toward the north where we could see as much as an inch and a half, maybe even 2 inches of accumulation, because some of that will be lake enhancement. And that'll continue through the day tomorrow and likely again on Wednesday with temperatures both days into the middle and upper 30s, if not the low 40s, a little bit below average. And then we get closer to average on Thursday with mainly dry conditions as well as a bit of less wind out there, 45. And then Friday is a little bit warmer, but also a little bit more unsettled, 46, so there could be some showers out there. And then Saturday and Sunday, both weekend days, could feature some shower chances as well.
A lot of rain in the forecast. Don't put away your raincoats quite yet. Coming up next on Eyewitness
Is brought to you by Nye Automotive Group. Come see why it's gotta be Nye. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a happy Monday evening to you once again. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking continued chances for rain and snow showers through the day tomorrow, and the wind will return as well. As we take a live look at downtown Utica right now, though, we have a pretty nice night out there right now for the time being, although there are some rain and snow showers in other parts of the viewing area. The temperature at this time, 36 degrees, winds out of the northwest at 9 miles an hour, making it feel like 29, and that temperature is going to come down a few more degrees as we go through the overnight hours. As we take a look at some other temperatures across the region, we have temperatures as cold as 32 in Boonville as well as Madison and Hamilton, but you go over to Bridgeport right now and it's 41. Sliding a little bit over toward the east, we have some temperatures already down into the 20s, like Morehouse at 28, Lake Pleasant at 29, Little Falls though still at 35, and we head down toward the south and we have temperatures at 32 in Otsego and Milford, but still 39 in Greene and Afton. So temperatures, as is usually the case, are just dependent on where you are. As far as the headlines go over the next couple of days, the sun is going to be in short supply over the next 2 days. We're going to have a lot of clouds tomorrow and on Wednesday, as well as those continued chances for both rain and snow showers. Snow more likely to the north. Wind will also be a factor, especially during the day tomorrow. But the good news is that as we head through the late week period, the wind will slacken off a little bit. but it'll be slightly warmer as well, but still unsettled, meaning we'll have sun at times and some showers at others. We'll get to that in the 7-day forecast in just a minute. Now, I mentioned the wind. You might be thinking it's been quite a windy month, and you'd be right about that. So far this month at Griffiths Airport in Rome, we've had 7 days with maximum wind gusts at or above 35 miles an hour, and typically in the month of March, we only have 2 of those days, and we still have another week or so to go of the month of March, so we may be adding to that total before it's all over. As far as the radar is concerned right now, we have some light to occasionally moderate pockets of snow, especially to the north and west of the Mohawk Valley, and you slide over toward portions of Oneida and the Syracuse area. We have a little bit of rain out there right now, and that's thanks to this area of low pressure over the Great Lakes and over portions of Michigan that will continue to be there as we head through the next couple of days. So that means rain and snow showers continue overnight tonight, although we do get a break, especially as we head toward daybreak tomorrow. But it doesn't last long. We'll have clouds and snow showers continuing, especially to the north of the Mohawk Valley tomorrow afternoon. And tomorrow evening, it slides its way back down toward the south. And tomorrow night, we'll have a lot of clouds and some isolated or scattered snow showers that continue to the north as we head through Wednesday morning. So 34 tonight, cloudy with a chance of snow showers out there. Winds out of the west 5 to 10. Those winds pick up to 10 to 20 tomorrow, gusts 25 to 30. It'll be cloudy and windy, as I just mentioned, with chances of rain and snow showers continuing 41 for the high. As far as the extended forecast goes, we'll have temperatures once again in the middle and upper 30s, both to around 40 both tomorrow and on Wednesday, but same story, just a different day. Rain and snow showers continue, and then it finally gets sunnier as we head toward the end of the week, and a little bit warmer too.
I'll take the sun, but since we're talking cold weather, it's probably a good time to mention that the Frozen 4 and the Sweet 16 are set as winter sports tourneys continue. Stay with us for Eyewitness Sports, which begins in just a couple more minutes.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
And a very good Monday evening to you once again. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking the rain and snow showers coming to an end as we head through the overnight hours, but it won't last long because they will return once again for tomorrow, and same thing on Wednesday as well. But let's take a live look at our Bank of Utica INET camera, where we do have a little bit of light snow out there in downtown Utica. As of the 11 o'clock hour, 38 degrees, winds out of the west, southwest at 9 miles an hour, gusting up to 21. And that's making it feel like 31. And those temperatures are going to come down another 3 or 4 degrees as we head through the overnight hours. Other temperatures from around the region, we have 40 degrees in Camden, same thing over in Bridgeport, but it's 34 down in Madison and in Hamilton right now. Sliding our way over toward the east, we have temperatures about at or just a little bit above freezing, like Lake Pleasant and Morehouse are both at freezing exactly. But you go down to Amsterdam, it's 35, and same thing over in Little Falls. And as we slide down to the south, we have temperatures into the lower and middle 30s right now, with the exception of Afton right now, which is at 38. So again, temperatures just like usual are just location dependent at this time. The weather headlines over the next couple of days include sunny skies that are going to be in short supply over the next 2 days, with continued chances for rain and snow showers. Otherwise, a lot of clouds. The good news is that as we head through the late week period, not only does it warm up into the middle and upper 40s, but it's also brighter. Although there will be less wind, it'll still be a little bit unsettled, meaning we'll have sun at times, and other times there could be some showers. I'll get to that with the 7-day in just a second. If you think it's been a windy March, you'd be right about that so far. Over the first 3 weeks of March nearly, we've had 7 days with maximum wind gusts at Griffiths Airport at or above 35 miles an hour, and typically in the month of March we have 2 days with that, so we're likely to add on to that total as we go through the next week when March officially comes to an end. We have snow over the northern part of our viewing area right now. That's going to come to an end temporarily over the next hour or two. That's thanks to this area of low pressure over the Great Lakes region, portions of Michigan and Canada dealing with the snow right now, and also a good portion of Atlantic Canada dealing with this storm as well. We're going to continue to deal with it not only through tomorrow but through Wednesday as well. So again, overnight tonight we'll have a lot of clouds. Same thing when you wake up tomorrow morning, and then during the afternoon the chances for rain and snow showers return, especially along into the north of the Thruway corridor, and it slides its way back toward the south through tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow evening, the least accumulation occurs down toward the south. Most occurs up toward the north, where there could be as much as an inch or two. 34 overnight tonight with cloudy skies and chances of rain or snow showers continuing through the next hour or two. Winds out of the west 5 to 10. The winds pick back up tomorrow out of the west again, but this time 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusting 20 to 30. And there will be chances for rain and snow showers, otherwise cloudy skies with a high of 41. That's about 5 degrees below average for this time of year. 39 for Wednesday with clouds and chances for snow showers continuing. Thursday, we do get a break finally, and it's a little bit warmer too with sun and clouds. It is breezy though, and Friday is sunny and breezy once again, but there could be a chance of showers returning toward the afternoon, and then that continues into the weekend.
So I know our viewers can't see it right now, but my service dog Griswold is curled up right at Jordan's feet right now. Even he thinks it's cold. So if you've got your four-legged friends at home, be sure to curl up with them really good tonight and over the next few days and try to stay warm. We are definitely in the midst of fall. Spring has come and gone. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11, the